Hi, this is John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. I'm reviewing the account of Paul. Paul's been trading with us from the 30th of July 2021 up until my date of review, the 16th of November 2021. Paul is managing 30,000 US dollars, which is level 2 of the FTP program. Paul's had a drawdown of 9.69%, preserving the balance too. As you can see, he had a trade that's kind of like got him on that level around the 27th of August. But overall, we can see Paul has grown with his account. And as you can see, the fluctuations and the profit margin being made over the period of time. As you can see, Paul's account's just been scaling up over the period of time. And looking at the drawdown, you can see the biggest drawdown he had was on the 29th of September, 23rd of September, but all of these drawdowns just brought Paul just on above average of 3%. But this is 30,000, this is level 2. So coming back into Paul's charts now, let's have a look at Paul's account. Paul's had 108 trades and his percentage rate of success is 66%, 171 out of 108, and lost 37 out of 34. Having a look at what Paul's traded over the last 5 months trading with AudaCity Capital, he's got 0.12% in July, 0.01% in August, 1.76% in September, 0.5% in October, and 10.94% in November. Going into November, we can see mainly he's traded the pound yen, pound NZD, pound US dollar, and Australian dollar US Japanese yen. So this is a breakdown of what he's traded for the month of November. So let's have a look at the summary of trades taken by Paul. Paul's traded quite a few pairs, as we can see, but the best pairs Paul's made pips up with are the Australian dollar yen, followed by the pound AUD, followed by the pound CAD, pound yen, pound NZD, New Zealand dollar yen. And if you look at all these pairs, I'll recommend, Paul, you stick to what makes you the most pips. And what makes you the most pips is Australian dollar yen, followed by pound AUD, followed by pound yen, and followed by pound NZD. So I'll stick to these pairs, and maybe you can stick to the pound US dollar and the New Zealand dollar yen, because these will give you consistent pips to help you hit your goal. So this is a very good achievement. Looking at a few of your history of your pairs, as I always tell every trader, there's room for improvement, especially when you have um, a percentage rate that's lower than 50% in terms of your losses. As we can see, you've lost 34%, but you've gained 66%. I definitely believe you can definitely be on the 70% and above if you just take a few improvements. And what I mean by a few improvements, you can drop your percentage loss rate by 5%, try and aim for about 29%, and bring your percentage gains up to about 5 to 10%, which gives you to 71 to 81%, which is very achievable because once you've done it once, you can do it again. But what I'll say is look at what you've done wrong. Like I mentioned, stick to pairs that give you pips. So that will be the first start. Always use a stop loss and take profit in place. So that gives you control of your trade, not your trade controlling you. And that protects you from uncertainty as well. Check the economic calendar, check key support and resistance levels, price action, market conditions, and always trade with a 2-to-1 minimum risk to reward ratio. That will definitely give you that psychological edge. And more importantly, work on your psychological advantage by reading books like Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, or even going on the AudaCity community app, talking to like-minded traders. That will always give you an edge. Share ideas, look at your risk appetite, manage your risk as well, and always go for high profitable trades. And back to, like I said, my recommendation, going back to what you've traded, clearly you're a master of certain pairs, like the Australian dollar yen, followed by the pound NZD and the pound Japanese yen. So if you stick to these pairs, you would definitely be more consistent, and only pick when you have your right setup. That will always give you an advantage. So congratulations and well done. And I look forward to reviewing your account on the next level.